West Asia is a key for world's energy consumption, one of the most heavily militarized in the world. In fact, the escalation is likely to hit families and their plates across the world, including India. J.K. Tripathi, former ambassador, Arun Kumar Rai, who is a shipping and logistics expert with everfastfreight, Dr. Vandana Singh, aviation sector expert, and Ambarish Baliga, who's a market expert, joins us just to be able to get that to you. Arun Kumar Rai, I mean, both the panelists have spoken about the Red Sea issue as well, but specifics of it, with what's happened in West Asia over the last few days, weeks, and the precursor to this, the 2023 Red Sea challenge that really happened, the Houthi attacks that happened, the challenge to trade has been almost a double whammy. Arun Kumar Rai, is it overreacting, or is it just natural and safe to say India is at the brink of possibly a massive inflation?
Of course, the recent activities or the recent happenings between Iran and Israel has brought world to precipice, I would say, and India wouldn't be, it's not that India won't be affected. It's still wait and watch situation, I would say, because since October 23, the diversion which the maritime trade took place, that is instead of Suez going to Cape of Good Hope. Of course, it has its own impact. I mean, the freight levels have gone up. Of course, of late, they were coming down. And now the recent happening between these two countries would definitely escalate. And as Mr. Baliga said, definitely would have its impact on the inflation if the rates further go up.
Could you break this down for an audience who may not know the nitty-gritty of the industry? Just what does the escalation of these freight prices, these freight lines really mean to an average citizen? Could you break this down for us in terms of cost, in terms of the impact?
Absolutely. I would say, see, as far as the trade is concerned, the low-value exports would definitely have impact, wherein the freight cost would be high, and so the orders would not be that much. Of course, like initially you had already established, war situation, the demand would be less, and if the prices are high, and at the end of the day, the common man has to pay higher prices for the products they're going to buy. It is not only to maritime, it will definitely, because of these recent attacks, the aviation industry would also have implications. So both the things will have repercussion as far as price hikes are there. Yeah, anticipation should be there. Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us. We just hope we are not going in line with how the escalation really looks at. We really hope there's going to be restraint, and we really hope we're not going to be pushed into that inflation that many are extremely concerned about. But nonetheless, huge concerns at this point. Thank you very much for joining us.